Hi guys, this is Neeru Kumar with Coco Daisy, and I am putting together a pocket page with the May kit. These are pictures from our trip a little while ago now to Tokyo Disney, and one of my son's very favorite rides that they have over there, Honey Hunt. And it's actually a ride that is, I think, unique to Tokyo Disneyland. They definitely don't have it at Disney World or Disneyland in California. So it's one that he really loves, and we all really love it. And this day he was dressed up as Tigger, and they have this little setup as you exit the ride where you kind of feel like you're in Christopher Robin's bedroom. And that's where we took some of these pictures, and some of them are from the ride itself. And out front is a really huge storybook that you step through as you enter into the ride itself, which is really, really awesome. So that's one of the other pictures here, and he just loved that picture of himself with the real Winnie the Pooh. And he really wanted me to include it, so I got it out, and that's one picture that I'm including. And on the back I have these large letters that spell out Tokyo Disney, so they're a little bit smaller than the 3x3 pockets, so I'm cutting all the photos down to match the size of what is going on the back. And then I'm also cutting out some cards that I've selected from the kit to match the size of those as well. And the circles, the gold circles that are there, are from the Disney Junior show. They kind of rain down like gold doubloons as like confetti during the show. And I can't remember if they had a show like that at Tokyo Disney. But I do know that, so I probably got those at Walt Disney World. And I kind of just like save them in every single purse that I have. Like every single purse that I have is filled with gold doubloons. And you can see I cut down that really beautiful pattern paper there with the triangles, and I put that black die cut on top. Those die cut pieces are one of my favorite pieces in the kit this month. They are just really gorgeous and a great way to add titles. And I love that die cut look, and it's that look without all the work of getting out my die cut machine. And there's a lot of different options in the pack this month for those. A few more cards are coming out. So I try to do a balance of patterned cards and cards with less printing on them and a little more white space to try to keep that balance. This card I'm choosing is a blue pattern, and it's triangles again, but it's different. So it keeps with the theme a little bit, but it's different, so it adds some interest there. And then there's a lot of different die cut packs. There's some exclusive die cuts from the kit, and then there's some from Pink Fresh Studios, which were in the classified kit, I believe. And those tickets, those Mickey tickets, some of them are from a train we took, and I don't know, some of them are park tickets, and those are just really cool, and you can see the Japanese printing on them. These stickers are from Pink Fresh as well, and I think they work really well on this pocket page, but I think they would also work really well on a planner too, so I might use those later for that, and I have plenty left over. And these are some of the Coco Daisy stickers. I really like those triangle flags. And that's one of the ticket stickers that I picked out. Just layering some stickers over
okay?
the photo there, that photo of him that he loves with the real Winnie the Pooh.
Careful.
And I am creating a little sticker flag banner over the top of that photo. Sorry, just had to speed up the process there. A lot of fussing around there for me with those stickers. Sliding that photo into place, and that green bow is from an old kit. But I really need the dimension that it provides so that the facing page with those Mickey ears doesn't get crushed, because they are standing up. And there you can see the letters that I was talking about that spell out Tokyo Disney on the back. Just plain white and black letters. I am adding another die cut from the pack from Pink Fresh Studios, and it's on top of one of the Cocoa Daisy cards, that rainbow drip. I just love it so much, just really gorgeous. And this little die cut flag just says
Melanie, give me
favorite.
the pencil under the table.
So that's going on top there. And you get to see me struggle with my handwriting. I like the personal touch that handwriting adds to an album, but it's just hard to beat the neatness of typed journaling sometimes.
You're not playing? Is there not out there?
So this time I wrote it out in pencil first, and now I'm going over, and then I erased it, and there's probably like a faint outline that you can still see, and I'm going over it in pen now, and it just helps me plan out what I'm going to say, place my words, because there's been many times when I've been writing out my journaling, and then mid-sentence I get to the end of the journaling block and it's just awkward. So it's a lot easier if I do it out in pencil first. And then when I do it in pencil too, I can usually fit in extra space. Somehow that always helps.
Coming, I'm almost done with my video. Coming.
That time I was just journaling one of our favorite little quotes from Pooh Bear story. I'm looking down, Pooh. And that ticket is another Pink Fresh Studio die cut that I added on top with a little bit of the details of the photos, where they come from. And you can see I added a sticker on top of those tickets too. And there's my page. I hope you like it. And be sure to check out the Cocoa Daisy kits this month. They are really awesome.